What if your garden is not failing because of bad seeds, poor weather, or unlucky timing, but because of a few simple mistakes happening right under your nose? Many gardeners work hard, water daily, add fertilizer, plant more seedlings, and still watch their vegetables turn yellow, weak, or fruitless. The truth is, some common garden habits can quietly damage roots, block sunlight, invite disease, and destroy your harvest before you realize what went wrong. In today's video, we'll uncover 5 garden mistakes that can kill your harvest, why they are so dangerous, and how you can fix them before your plants pay the price. Let's get started. 1. Drowning roots with overwatering. One of the most common garden mistakes is overwatering. Many beginners think plants need water every single day, so they follow a fixed schedule without checking the soil. They believe they are helping their plants, but too much water can become a silent killer. A plant may look thirsty from the top, but under the soil, its roots may already be sitting in wet, heavy dirt. Roots need more than water. They also need oxygen. When soil stays soaked too long, the air space is filled with water and roots cannot breathe. This makes the plant weak, stressed, and more open to problems like root rot. This mistake is especially harmful in containers, raised beds with poor drainage, and heavy clay soil. Crops like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and herbs can suffer badly when their roots stay wet for too long. The fix is simple. Push your finger about 2 inches into the soil. If it feels damp, wait. If it feels dry, water deeply at the base so roots grow stronger and deeper. Watering in the morning and improving drainage with compost or proper containers can also help prevent disease. A good gardener learns to read the soil, not just follow a schedule. When you water based on real soil moisture, your plants grow stronger, greener, and more productive. 2. Crowding plants too closely. Another mistake that can quietly ruin your harvest is planting everything too close together. When seedlings are small, they look harmless. A tomato seedling, pepper plant, cucumber vine, or cabbage start may look tiny. So many gardeners squeeze more plants into one bed, hoping for a bigger harvest. Problems start when seedlings grow. Within weeks, leaves expand, roots spread, and stems need space. Plants compete for light, water, nutrients, and root room, leading to slow growth, weak stems, and poor fruit production. Above ground, overcrowding blocks sunlight and traps air, keeping leaves moist and creating a humid environment where fungal diseases spread. Dense planting also makes pest control harder. The fix is to respect spacing recommendations. Give each plant enough room, thin crowded seedlings, and use trellises for climbing crops. Plan for full-grown sizes, place taller plants so they don't shade shorter ones, and leave paths for easy harvesting and pruning. A garden should look full, but not suffocated. Plants need room to breathe, stretch, and receive sunlight. Proper spacing reduces disease, improves airflow, and gives every plant a fair chance to produce a strong harvest. In many cases, fewer healthy plants can give you more food than too many crowded plants fighting for space. 3. Misjudging sunlight patterns. Sunlight is one of the most important things in a garden, but many gardeners misjudge it. They choose a spot that looks sunny in the morning and assume it will stay bright all day. Later, they realize trees, fences, walls, sheds, or nearby plants are casting shadows over the garden during critical hours. Shifting shadows can fool even experienced gardeners. A bed may look sunny in early spring, but as leaves grow, it can become shaded. That's why sunlight planting should happen before planting. Without enough light, even healthy-looking plants may stay weak, produce fewer flowers, and give a disappointing harvest. The fix is simple. Observe your garden throughout the day and note where shadows fall. Reserve the brightest spots for sun-loving crops, while shade-tolerant plants like lettuce, spinach, parsley, and mint can go in areas with less light. Containers or raised beds can help if sunlight is limited, and pruning lower tree branches may improve light. A sunlight map can make a big difference. Draw your garden area and mark where the sun shines at different times. This small step helps you avoid guessing and gives every crop a better place to grow. The main lesson is clear. Plants need enough energy from sunlight to grow strong, produce flowers, and yield a healthy harvest. 4. Overfertilizing for faster growth. Fertilizer can help a garden, but too much fertilizer can damage it. Many gardeners think that if a little fertilizer is good, more must be better. They add heavy doses of synthetic fertilizer, hoping their plants will grow faster, greener, and bigger. But fast leaf growth does not always mean a better harvest. Too much nitrogen can push plants to focus on leaves instead of flowers and fruit. A tomato plant may become big and green, but produce very few tomatoes. Overfertilizing can also harm the roots. Many chemical fertilizers contain salts. When these salts build up in the soil, they can burn tender root tips and make it harder for the plant to absorb water. The soil itself can suffer too. Healthy soil is full of living organisms, including beneficial microbes, fungi, and tiny insects that help break down organic matter. The better approach is to focus on soil health first. Compost is one of the best natural garden foods. It improves soil structure, helps hold moisture, supports microbes, and slowly releases nutrients. Organic matter is especially important in vegetable gardens. Adding compost before planting gives crops a healthy foundation. Mulching with leaves, straw, or grass clippings can also help protect the soil and slowly improve it over time. If you use fertilizer, use it carefully. Read the label. Apply the right amount. Choose the right type of crop. Fruit-producing plants need balanced nutrition, not just leaf growth. The goal is not to force plants into unnatural speeds. The goal is to build steady, healthy growth that leads to flowers, fruit, and a strong harvest. When you stop overfeeding and start nourishing the soil, your garden becomes more balanced, productive, and resilient. 5. Letting weeds and pests go unchecked. The final mistake is ignoring small problems until they become big ones. Many gardeners see a few weeds and think they will pull them later. They notice one or two insects and hope the problem will disappear. But gardens change fast. Weeds are not just ugly plants growing in the wrong place. They are strong competitors. They steal water, nutrients, sunlight, and root space from your crops. Some weeds grow faster than vegetables, and if you ignore them, they can quickly take control of the bed. When weeds surround your plants, your crops must fight for survival. Young seedlings are especially vulnerable. Weeds can also hide pests. Insects may live, breed, or rest in weedy areas before moving on to your crops. Pests work the same way. A few aphids, caterpillars, beetles, mites, or eggs may not look serious at first. Many insects multiply quickly. The key is early action. Walk through your garden often. Look at the tops and undersides of leaves. Weekly inspection can save a harvest, but during warm weather, checking even more often is better. Hand pulling weeds is one of the simplest and most effective habits. Pull them when they are small and easy to remove. Mulch can help a lot. Straw, leaves, grass clippings, cardboard, or with chips can block sunlight from reaching weed seeds and keep soil moisture steady. For pests, avoid panic. Not every insect is an enemy. Some insects like ladybugs, lacewings, bees, and certain wasps are helpful. Removing pests by hand, spraying with water, using row covers, or encouraging beneficial insects can often solve problems without harsh chemicals. If a plant is badly infected or covered in pests, sometimes removing the worst leaves or even a whole plant can protect the rest of the garden. When you stay alert, pull weeds early, and deal with pests before they multiply, your garden has a much better chance of giving you a healthy harvest. And there you have it. 5 garden mistakes that can kill your harvest. Most garden failures do not happen overnight. They build slowly through overwatering, overcrowding, poor sunlight planting, too much fertilizer, and ignored weeds or pests. The good news is that every one of these mistakes can be fixed with simple habits. Check the soil before watering, give plants space, track sunlight, feed the soil gently, and inspect your garden often. These small steps can protect your plants and improve your harvest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy gardening tips. Comment below which mistake you will fix first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.